Hello everyone, today let's see how to replace battery of HP OMEN laptop. Just turn it upside down, take a Phillips bit screwdriver or a plus bit screwdriver, remove all these screws as shown here. These four screws are a bit lengthier than the front screws. Now we need to remove these screws here. As you can see, these are smaller in length. The front screws are smaller and the backside screws are bigger or lengthier. After removing the screws, take a plunger. I have provided the link for this plunger in the description of this video. You can just buy it, just insert it in one side. Now all the four sides it is free, the locks have been removed, but there are locks here which hold the battery. So just try to push it in this way, just push it and pull it upside. Now you see, this is the battery. For removing the battery we need to remove these screws where it has written M2.0. See that the battery does not fall on the PCB, or else what you can do is, first of all, disconnect this terminal, just pull it in this way. Okay, now remove the screws. Six screws. Pull the battery in this way, push it up frontwards. Okay, because here there are locks. Actually I am not replacing the new battery for this laptop. The battery is working fine, but this video is only about the demonstration how you can replace the battery of your laptop on your own. Take the new battery, unbox it from the packing. I will try to provide the link for this battery in the description of this video. Now take the battery, just place it here. You can see the grooves. Place it in this way. Okay, now fasten these screws. Okay, now tighten them. Now just connect the battery. place it here, just push it inside. Do not pull the connector upwards, you will damage this connector on the main board, and if you do not get this, or if any tracks or components are damaged, then you will have to replace the whole main board. So now we are connected. Before connecting, what we'll do is just disconnect it. Also I'll clean it, brush it up. As you can see, too much dust here. As I have disassembled it, better I'll just clean the dust. Okay, now we'll connect it. Just push it inside. Okay, it's good. Now take the cover, bottom cover. Now take the top cover, place it here. Do not fix it, do not go on pressing like this. Just place it little bit top, then here, press here in the center, pull it towards front, then press it in this way. Because there are two locks here, so now the lengthy screws are for back side. This way. And the small screws are to be fixed front here in an angle, they won't go straight. Hold them in this way, here, this way, like this. Right. After replacing the battery, it will happen that the laptop will not start at one go. As you see, now I switch it on, I connect the power. You will observe that the power light, it goes off and on for several times. This happens because there is no CMOS battery on this laptop, and it all CMOS is also backed up using the main battery. So when we disconnect the battery, then the main board goes into the CMOS is reset. As you can see here, after the power light restarts several times, this is what we get on the screen. Okay, see, wait for, when you get the error, no need to do anything. You can wait for several minutes, seconds, it will reset by itself, or all you can do is you can click on the restart system and then everything will be okay. After the system restarts, you can just reset the date and time. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in replacing the battery of your HP OMEN laptop. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.